Now let's talk about how to solve some word problems dealing with our units of measure. This first question deals with filling a container with liquid. The question says the capacity of a barrel is 4 gallons. If 1 gallon and 2 quarts of water have already been added to the barrel, how much more water is needed to fill the barrel? Here we're dealing with gallons, and we're also dealing with some quarts. So we're going to need to know the formula that relates these two. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Now the first step I want to do here is to just get everything into the same units. Since quarts is our smaller unit, let's go with quarts. So let's start with the capacity of the barrel. The capacity of the barrel is 4 gallons. So if it's 4 gallons and I want to know how much it is in quarts, I'm going to have to multiply my 4 gallons by 4 quarts for each of those 4 gallons, and I'll find that 4 gallons is equal to 16 quarts. So there are 16 quarts that could fit in that barrel. Now I know what the total capacity is. Let's see how much I've already put in. I've already put in 1 gallon and 2 quarts. If I put in 1 gallon and 2 quarts, I'm going to have to find this all in quarts again so that I can relate it to my total capacity. Now 1 gallon is going to be equal to 1 times 4 quarts in that gallon, which is going to be equal to 4 quarts. So I have 1 gallon in my barrel, but I also have 2 quarts. So I'm going to add 2 quarts to this amount that I've already put in. 4 quarts plus 2 quarts is equal to 6 quarts. Now I just need to subtract. My total capacity is 16 quarts, and I'm going to subtract from that how much I've already put in, which was 6 quarts, and that'll give me the 10 quarts that I still need to fill the barrel. Now, since my answer is in gallons and quarts, I'm going to need to just put this back into gallons and quarts. So if I know that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, I know that out of 10 quarts I can take 2 gallons and still have 2 quarts left over. So that's what I'm going to fill in as my answer. I have 2 gallons and 2 quarts that I still need to add to fill that barrel.